Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling on the process on how to turn on two-step verification on your TikTok? Well, if you are, then this video is for you, my friend. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable two-factor verification on your TikTok. Before we get into our video, let's have a better understanding of what a two-step verification is. A two-step verification is a security feature which gives you access towards many things. Enabling two-step verification gives you a notification on your device when someone tries to log in into your TikTok account from another device. Well, now since you have a better understanding on what two-step verification is, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our TikTok app. Once you have opened your TikTok app, you'll be on the home page. Here, as you can see from the home page, you'll be able to see various options. On the below, you'll be able to see about 5 options. And from here, you'll have to tap on the profile option that is located on the very end. Once you have tapped on the profile option, here on the top right hand side corner, you'll be able to see a hamburger option. Here, you'll have to tap on the hamburger option. Once you have tapped on the hamburger option, you can see 3 options. Tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, you can see option security on the third option right between privacy and balance. Here you'll have to tap on the option security. After tapping on security on the very end, you can see option two-step verification. Here you'll have to tap on two-step verification. After you have tapped on the two-step verification, here you'll have to select about 2 methods. These verification methods allow you to get a notification on your device. Choose your preferred one. Here I will be choosing the SMS and the email address option. You can also get an option password in which you'll have to type in a password in order to log in into your TikTok application from any other device. You can enable it if you want. For now, I will not be enabling it and I will be tapping on turn on. Then here you'll have to type in your phone number. Once you have typed in your phone number, tap on send code. After that, you'll receive a code onto the phone number that you have recently typed. Once you have received the code, you'll get a notification. Here you'll have to type the code that you have received. In my case, I can simply copy it and paste it here. After that, again, here you'll have to type in your email address and tap on send code option. Once again, you'll receive a code on your email address. For that, you'll have to go back and check your Gmail account. And here, as you can see on the very first option, there is a code sent by TikTok. Here you can tap on it. You can simply copy it, go back to your TikTok application and paste the code here. And just like that, here as you can see, your two-step verification has been turned on. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to enable two-step verification on your TikTok. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.